In front of me is POCO X6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening settings and choosing more connectivity options. Then select printing. Tap on System Printing Service. And wait! Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you want to use a different service than the system one, tap on blue switcher at the top. Go back. Select Add Service and download the best one for you from Play Store or Chrome. Just click on the best option. When your new service is ready, go back to the same settings. Lastly, tap on your new service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!